The aim of this course is that you become a first-class PowerPoint user. By closely following all of the lessons, you will give your career a significant boost and will have every chance of success in the future. Sound exciting? Well, let's get started. First things first, let's go through the main tabs within PowerPoint and describe their content. The first tab that we see on the ribbon is the File tab. Within the File tab, we will find several basic commands such as Save, Save As, Open, and Close. If we click on Info, we will find the Permissions section in which we can create a password for the document. Once a password is chosen, the user will have to type it in every time before opening the document. Under Print, we find all the options related to printing. We can select whether we want to print all slides or just a specific part of the document, how many slides to be included in each page, whether to use colors, etc. If we click on Options, a dialog box opens. We are able to select some of the user interface options, the type of proofing to be applied, saving options, language options, and advanced options. In one of the next lessons, we will dedicate some time to the Quick Access toolbar, which is an important instrument in PowerPoint. Let's go ahead and take a look at the commands that are available within the Home tab. It contains some of the most frequently used properties. Buttons such as Cut, Copy, and Paste that can transfer text, data, or objects within your files. Most of the formatting options are included here as well. You will find features such as font, font size, text color, text alignment, etc. Within the Home tab, we can also find the very useful button Arrange, which allows us to group items and align objects. The Insert tab will let you add objects to your slides. You can insert things such as pictures and images by using this tab. It also allows you to add a number of items, among which are shapes, smart art, text boxes, equations, video, and audio. The next tab in the ribbon is the Design tab. It contains the basic slide formatting tools. Themes are an easy way to design a whole slideshow. Every slide in the presentation will change to match the background, font, colors, and effects that are preset for each theme. The good point about themes is that they are easy, quick, and make your presentation look nice. The bad point about themes is that there are only 4 or 5 really good ones to choose from, and everyone repeatedly uses them. That is why I would suggest that you do as much of your theme design by yourself as possible. The slides that we will create in this course would not use a ready theme. In this tab, you can also modify the background of the slides within your presentation. The Transitions tab enables users to change slide transitions, set different properties or timings for the transitions of their slides, and generally adjust their preferences regarding slide transitions. Here is the fun part of PowerPoint: animations of objects. You can make just about any object move in and out and fly around in almost any way that you can imagine. We will examine animations more closely in some of our next videos. The next tab in the ribbon is the Slideshow tab. It contains tools that control the slideshow presentation. Under the Review tab, you will find instruments that enable you to proofread your PowerPoint files. In addition to that, here are the Comments and Review functionalities. The way you see your presentation can be customized in the View tab. Inside of this tab, we have all the Slide Master options, which we will see in detail later in the course. Here, users can also find the Zoom, Color, Window, and Macro options. This was our quick overview of the structure of PowerPoint's tabs. In our next lesson, we will go much deeper and examine in detail many of the advanced features of PowerPoint. Thanks for watching.